Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add notes to your presentation or to your slides on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your PowerPoint uh, software or application and open your presentation and follow these simple steps. Now here in you will find your slides or your presentation. Let's suppose I have presentation or a design that I have here. So now I will be having some information, for example, titles, some for example, let's suppose that I have charts. So as me, I'm going to present things. I will need to have the notes so you can't forget your speech or whatever you are going to do with the presentation. So to add the notes, you will need to go down here and we will find the menu notes. So here we will start adding, for example, notes, remarks, and anything you want, for example, observations. And also you can use this as a reminder when you are uh, editing your presentation. The thing is that when you are doing your presentation, you can't see this. This is the view, and when you are going to presentate with a show a viewer, you will have your notes here that you can see while you are presenting or giving your show. So the notes are very useful when it comes to uh, reminding or remembering the informations, and if you fear to forget things, all you need is to add notes here and you will have them and you can read them and they won't be showing on other screens. So this is how you add notes on PowerPoint. Thank you for watching and goodbye.